Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Facebook dating location mismatch. So to fix Facebook location mismatch, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide on how to fix the dating location mismatching. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do, which is to on the first method, is to enable location service. So open your settings on your phone, then scroll down and tap privacy and settings, then click on location service and make sure you ensure location service are turned on. Then scroll to Facebook, tap it and set it to while using the app, or you set as always allow. Then on the second method, which is the check Facebook app permission, so open your Facebook app, then tap the menu, which is the three horizontal line, then click on privacy and click on settings and privacy. Then from there click on settings, then scroll down to permission and tap location, then make sure location access is enabled, then select precise location if available. And this is how you can fix Facebook dating location mismatch. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.